Hi, I will guide you to use menu graph for bar charts type group. This menu aims to see a description of the qualitative data in the form of a graph for two variables. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I use to upload data with an Iris CSV file. You can get this Iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Graphs menu and then select the bar chart sub-menu. A display like this will appear. Make sure to select the group on the type bar chart. Please select a qualitative variable in the select variable X and variable Y. For example, I selected the variety variable in the select variable X section, and in the select variable Y section, select the variable group. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, a result like this will appear, which is the plot display. In bar charts, there are three features, namely the chart title input feature, label input on the x-axis, and label input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A side box will appear. In the sidebar box, there are chart title inputs, label input on the x-axis, and the label input on the y-axis. For example, I input my group bar chart in the title on chart input. Then on the input title of X, I input variety based on group. At the input title of Y, I input frequency. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Graphs menu for the bar chart type